Hello everybody and welcome. In this video I will show you how to connect your headphones Edifier W830NB with a cable. All you need to have to do in it is just a USB-C to USB-C cable, but if your phone do not support USB-C, maybe you should have Lightning to USB-C, and I'm not sure about micro USB to USB-C. I haven't it and I can't test it. So connect USB-C cable to your phone and the second one to USB-C port on your right ear cup. And now you can play a song, you can watch some movies without pairing them by Bluetooth. That's it. Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to the channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later.